Hey guys, welcome back. Rob here again from Middle Age Adventures, coming to you with our very first episode, Tech Talk. Hey guys, welcome back to Middle Age Adventures. Rob here, wanting to welcome you guys to our very first episode of Tech Talk. What are we doing here on Tech Talk? We're going to show you guys the current stuff that we're using, like our camera, our action cameras, our computer, microphone, and our laptop that we're using as well. So in saying that, guys, we just wanted to share with you the current stuff we're using, what we're thinking about doing, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. But right now, without any more said, let's get into it. I'm going to switch to another camera, get another view so I can show you the camera I'm using over here. So we'll come back to you in a second. There you go. Hey guys, you're now watching me on a Hero GoPro 4 Silver. I got this thing off of eBay for, I think it was about $105, happened to win it. Came with extra batteries, screen, the case, working perfectly fine. So that's one little thing we have, which you're actually watching right now, which I'm talking to you on right now. And it does 4K video as well at 25 frames a second, I think it is, but it goes right down to as low as 720. So at the moment I think I've got it set on 1440 at 25 frames a second, wide angle, working perfectly fine, it's clear as day. So yeah, that's our Hero 4. We won it off eBay. So if anyone's looking for an older GoPro, let alone a new one, can't actually afford the new one, jump on eBay, have a look at the GoPros that are going on there. You know, we won this one at an auction. We also won a GoPro 3, which I'll grab you right now and I'll take you over to show you. So anyway guys, here it is here. We've got they'll won all of this off of eBay, this whole setup, like in two bids, two different auctions. So I've got the GoPro Hero 4 I'm using now. Came with a case, all these accessories here. Like I've got batteries for both. I also won this Hero 3 off a bid as well. I had two bids going at once, and I think the whole setup cost me $200. These are two extra big batteries. This is the case that I carry my screen in. I've got all these batteries, the waterproof case, more batteries for the GoPro 4, all the, you know, extra adapters, cases, the foam thing. In there I've got other cases, cords, all the stuff I need, the charger. So that's basically one setup in this big case, and I'll hold it in there, Telson case, and it works fine. And this is one of the bigger batteries I've got for it. So that one's out of there because I carry my screen in the black case. I've got 3 of those, along with numerous amount of other ones for both cameras and all that. So yeah, that's the GoPros that I'm using for the action and short videos and stuff like that. And I'll show you over here, I'll show you what I'm actually using to make my videos right now. Bought this about 5 months ago when we got back from our Vietnam trip. Went and got myself a Nikon DSLR 5600 with kit lenses, 2 kit lenses, 18 to 55 and the 70 to 300, and I've also got the landscape and macro lens, 40mm macro lens and 10 to 20mm landscape lens. That's the kits I bought, but I have actually bought other lenses since then because I've just started taking up a bit of photography and that, and just learning the whole ins and outs. So I've got a heap of lenses to play with, and yeah, maybe we'll put a vlog up about that when we're going out and doing some stuff. So anyway, we'll show you this camera. This is basically it here, guys. That's the Nikon D5600 I'm using with the screen. I've actually got a mic connected to it as well, and I've got a shutter button, which for still shots is you just like got the shutter button here, and you just push the shutter button, and that's basically that shutter button, all off of eBay, guys. Boya mic MM1 seems to do the job. So yeah, I don't know, and I'm running the 18-55mm lens at the moment. Hopefully that's working fine. Yeah, it's just like HDMI and battery. I think that's the SD card slot in there. We've also got HDMI, and you've got the screen. It's D5600 on this tripod, which I picked up for about $50 from our local technical shop that's here in Mannington. It seems to be doing the jobs. That's what I've been making all my videos on. So basically that's what I've been making them all on, is that there with the tripod. And in the background you can see these really cool lights. I got them as backlights to light up the back area of my thing. I think it was $60 something each from Bunnings. They're telescopic lights, they pop up, drop down, and you can just have the top ones. So basically that's that, and I'll show you over here. I have my laptop. It's a HP, Intel i5 running 8 gig of RAM, I think it is, and 3 or 4 gig graphics card with Windows 10. Most of my editing gets done on this, my video editing at the moment, because I need to upgrade my computer. So that's basically just a basic laptop, HDMI's, outputs, Western Digital hard drive coming out of it. I've got a USB mouse out of it as well. Recently bought this Blue Ice microphone from Officeworks for $88. That's going to be doing all my voiceovers. Seems to work fine. I've tested it out, so that's pretty cool as well. As you can see, this is also my game room, not my office. And this is just our basic Intel i5, very low RAM, and that it doesn't actually do my video editing. So I just use this for my web page editing. As you can see, this is all web page stuff, and I use that for that. So that's we're looking at upgrading our computer system, which I'm going to have a look at in the next couple of days. So we'll see what comes out of that. So basically that'll be upgraded, and I'm just using my TV as a second monitor at the moment until I can get another monitor, and I'll upgrade another monitor as well. So that's showing you all that stuff, guys. That's basically our gear that we're using. Nikon DSLR 5600, the basic computer that just does our YouTube and editing, the web page, and our laptop, which we do most of our editing on using VSCD. So yeah, I'll switch back to the other camera now, and we'll finish off this Tech Talk episode 1. So there you have it, guys. That's basically the gear I'm using. We're looking at upgrading, especially the computer. Not so much the laptop, because that's really handy for when we go away, and it's working perfectly fine for when we do our travels and that. We take that with us, upload our content onto it, check it all over and everything, and that works fine for that. We do a lot of our editing back at home. We don't do a lot there. We try and get some up. I start editing, but usually when we go away, we're pretty flat out just making the vlogs, let alone getting any editing done. But yeah, so that's the gear we're using at the moment. Nikon D5600, Hero 4, Hero 3 for the action stuff, HP laptop, which I got that from Officeworks, the laptop, and I got the Lenovo from Officeworks, the desktop as well. So hit them up if you want a computer, guys, or we're actually looking at upgrading, so we'll let you know where we're coming from there when we upgrade the computers, and we'll give you links for those. We're also looking at buying a second camera. We've been researching some, just looking into that at the moment, and a drone. So yeah, and maybe we'll upgrade our Hero GoPros, not too sure, we'll see what happens. But that's our first episode of Tech Talk, so welcome along, guys. Hope you enjoyed that rundown of the gear we're using, and I hope you're staying tuned for the rest of the vlogs and videos that we're making for you. At the moment it's pretty hard to get out there, we're just waiting for a few restrictions, and we'll get out there and make you some more videos straight away, guys. But we do have up and coming other videos to be uploaded. That's our very first episode of Tech Talk. I want to say thanks very much for watching. And if you did like this video, guys, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below if there's anything you want to see us better on, or basically just leave a comment for anything, or whether you're liking it, what we can do better, anything like that. Very much appreciated. Also, don't forget forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for when you get the content coming to you first. Just want to say thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching our channel, and we hope to see you again real soon. We'll see you again in the next video. This is Rob from Middle Age Adventures. We'll catch